Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funmi. So I have something super exciting to share with you today. Yeah, so as you can see, we are not baking today. We're not doing any tutorial. We're doing like sort of an unboxing. So I was gifted a bunch of these amazing Lotus Biscoff products and I'm so thrilled to unbox them with you. So I got the Lotus Biscoff cookie butter, the crunchy type, in 3 huge jars, and I also got the Biscoff topping, and then I also got the biscuit crumbs, the Lotus Biscoff biscuit crumbs, and lastly I got a huge box of the Biscoff cookies. I really do love the Lotus Biscoff products. Like, I love all their products. Now let me tell you the reason why I love their products so much. Their product has this distinctive flavor that is sort of sweet and slightly caramelized. I think with a hint of cinnamon and spice. It has this warm, almost buttery taste, and the texture of the biscuits is so crunchy. I really love that. And while the spread is creamy and smooth, I just love the combination of caramel, spice, and the subtle hint of ginger. It makes the product really unique. The biscuits, the spread, the cookie butter, everything so really nice. Because I'm a huge fan of flavors and spices in my food, in my baked goods. I really love a good subtle hint of flavors and spices in whatever I eat. Please note that this is not a sponsored ad. I just love the Lotus product and I just decided to share with you all. But I wouldn't mind if the Lotus company will collaborate with me. I'm just shooting my shots. So these are going to be perfect for creating some delicious bakes and desserts. I already have a few ideas in mind, but I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what treats or recipe you would like to see me create using these Biscoff goodies. I already made a Lotus Biscoff ice cream recipe, so look out for that video. I'll be uploading it tomorrow. So I just want to say a huge thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you all so much for deciding to subscribe to this channel, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you all so much for hitting the like button and sharing the videos and also commenting. It really means a lot to me. Thank you all so much. And to all my intending subscribers, now is the right time and the perfect time to hit on the subscribe button and join this community. On this channel, I share the most amazing baking tutorial, baking recipes, baking hacks and tricks that will be so useful to you if you are a baking enthusiast, if you are a home baker, or you bake full-time. I have the most amazing baking hacks, tricks and recipes on my channel just for you. So that'll be all for now, but before you go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of the yummy creation I've got coming up your way. Until next time, stay blessed and happy baking. Bye.